Oh my god, I just saw something I saw too much just now. Bum boom, bum boom, bum boom. Bum boom, bum boom, bum boom. Bum bum bum. Dum dum bum. I'm kind of traumatized.
Just calm it all down a bit. That's better, that's a bit more stable.
Shut up, man!
It's impossible!
Shut up, man! No way. No way.
That's not
That's
safe!
not safe!
It's not safe.
No, no, no! Oh, no!
probably should just tell you that was the first time the guys have completed that trick without a safety harness. They've never done it before. That was the first time they completed it. David, what did you think?
Well, you know, we've all tried this, haven't we? We've all said to a friend, would you mind sitting upside down on my head and we'll see what happens? No, I mean, this is beyond, isn't it? I mean, you can't believe what you're watching. It's like if you saw this in a movie, you'd say it was a special effect. You wouldn't believe it. And the incredible artistry and showmanship that you both have as well is incredible. That was amazing.
I was like, nah, they're not going to make it. They're not going to make it. I should have had more faith in you because you are unreal. You create this amazing atmosphere. You were like two gods up there. You just get better. Yes, shut him.
Honestly, you know, I'm an older woman, as everyone likes to point out all week. My nerves and my pants have been on edge all week through acts like this. It was utterly extraordinary, and I can't believe that this is part of a talent show. You know, you really need to have your own show.
You're right. At the end of the day, it's a competition, and it's a competition worth winning. And to go from the semi-final into the final to have a shot at winning, you've got to up your game. My God, you upped your game. I mean, genuinely. You know what's so amazing about you two, apart from what you do technically? It's like, you know, the movie's called The Greatest Showman. You are the greatest showmen. You know how to put on a show. That was really, really impressive. Fantastic, and congratulations. Brilliant.